When I first looked at 51 Riversdale Road, Oxenford, the first thing that really took my mind was, wow, this is a big home. This will really suit a large family looking for a bit more space. As you walk in, you have a nice wide entry hall, flows through to the family and meals area, which is a huge room. You've also got a totally separate lounge room. The chef's going to really enjoy the large timber kitchen, plenty of space, plenty of cupboards, and it's right in the middle of the living area, so they're right in with the family. At least 3 of the bedrooms are double, they have double beds in. The master bedroom has the walk-in robe and the ensuite, and the ensuite's got twin vanities, so that's great. When I walked out into this patio area, fully covered, very, very private, I thought this is great for a big family or friends get together. You've got the barbecue shack in behind, and then you've got the pool to cool off in. The other advantage of where the pool is the family room looks out to it. So while mother's in the kitchen or the family room, she can still watch the kids in the pool. It then flows through to a very large area at the back of the house. The area of Oxenford offers a lot of opportunity for the family. There's primary schools just around the corner, you've got medical centres down the road, you've got a large shopping centre, you've got easy access to the M1. Movie World is close by, Dream World a little bit further up the road, and you've also access to the Helensvale rail station. It's all here for the family. I'm expecting to get a lot of interest in this home, and I'm expecting to sell fairly quickly on this one.